Hello, Ormoc Police Station. The police station here is not functioning disseminated. Sugod and buntok, making chika and chismis to me, and allegation and alibayans, neglecting and strategy to remote. Please help me to shoot them to my gun, so that the record is to my gun, the police that shoot, to handle the situation when shooting to them and the person in front of me facing like neglecting face to me as Magellan of the Philippines. And this helped me to my Citibank, that I put one person to my papers to 200 mobili per maasim bank, China bank maasim 200 mobili, that in Ormoc the receipt, and the receipt of the motor Honda. Please help me to get that, to result or through motor and passbook and withdrawal slip, so that I can sign to withdrawal slip, that you can help me to assist to the money to the balls of this house, or 50 million, okay? So 50 million, help me to 50 million, thank you, and get 2 million, 50 million, 48 million result.